Hello and welcome to Tolomatic, your leading source for motion control solutions for the food and beverage industry. I'm here with Tolomatic Marketing Manager Aaron Dietrich to talk about the first things one should consider when selecting an actuator for the food and beverage industry. Aaron, what are some of the first things that someone should consider when selecting an actuator for the food and beverage industry?
Well, the first thing to consider is the type of actuator being used, either a rodless or a rod style. Take a rodless, for example. While rodless actuators are used in food and beverage applications, they are typically not well suited for washdown applications for a variety of reasons. Typically, they're made from a lot of aluminum components, which aren't good for corrosion resistance. Second, they have a band in order to seal the actuator, which isn't that great for keeping fluids out or the ingress protection. And finally, their profiles are built in aluminum extrusion that have mounting for switches and also for mounting the actuator. And this actually creates pockets that can trap moisture and bacteria. Rod style actuators, on the other hand, are well suited for washdown applications because their rod can be sealed a lot better for that ingress protection. Because they only need to be sealed along the rod, unlike their rodless counterpoints, which have the long band, and this allows them to have higher IP ratings. What's more is that these rod style actuators can be fabricated from more corrosion resistant materials.
Aaron, you mentioned materials. What sort of materials are suitable for food and beverage washdown applications?
A variety of materials and finishes are suitable for the washdown environment. The best actuator construction material are alloys of stainless steel such as 316, 304, and 303. These alloys can be used in even the harshest washdown environments. Type 303 and 304 is the most commonly specified stainless steel alloy. That's because it's the easiest to machine, it resists corrosion, and it's relatively inexpensive compared to 316. But depending on the application, various surface treatments may also be suitable.
Aaron, what are some examples of some surface actuator treatments that would be suitable for food and beverage applications?
Well, there's a variety of treatments, but a good one is white epoxy paint. It's durable and corrosion resistant where there is limited use of caustic cleaning chemicals. Other surface treatments include chromium armalloy, fluoropolymer, electroless nickel plating, and Nidox.
Are there any other materials that are used in the construction of these actuators that one should consider?
Yes, since most of these actuators will be in contact with food, materials such as gaskets, O-rings, and lubricants also need to be food grade as well. Tolomatic uses Viton and UMHW gaskets and seals in its food and beverage grade actuators for two reasons: because they have excellent resistance to chemicals and heat, and they also have excellent compression set resistance. We also use food grade lubricants when requested by our customers on our actuators designed for the food and beverage industry.
So how would you sum up our discussion of materials used in actuator construction?
It's important to select actuator materials based on the application and the washdown environment. Whether it is a wipe down, a water washdown, or a harsh cleaning chemical washdown, in most food and beverage applications, that's going to mean stainless steel for the best all-around corrosion resistance and performance. But in less critical applications, actuators with white epoxy paint or some sort of plating will also provide long service life. All these material choices are readily available in the Tolomatic catalog, or special materials can be provided for custom applications as well.
Aaron, thank you for helping us to understand the importance of materials used in actuator construction for the food and beverage industry.